Service was always a part of my life, not because it never was a requirement at school for me. I went to school before that was the case for most people. But it was something that was important to me because I recognized that there were people around me who were in need, that could use things that maybe I have, maybe not physical things, but maybe my time, maybe my presence. So when I was in high school, I volunteered at the battered women's shelter in our diocese, but I worked with the children, played with them and chatted with them and gave them a safe place to be themselves, to be kids, And I remember that as being very impactful to me, building those relationships. Okay, that's excellent. Because the life of a religious... I've been a teacher and I've been a campus minister, both. So I started off as a teacher. That's what I did my year of volunteer work, and then I continued after that. I love being in the classroom, it's talking about religion. But in recent years, I've also mixed that with campus ministry. Now, campus ministry for me has been a lot of retreat work, a lot of training students to put on a good retreat, to lead a good retreat, planning and helping students do prayer services and masses and service projects. I'm also working as a vocations minister for our province, for our area here in the U.S. And so a lot of what I do is sitting down and talking with young people about where their life is going, what they feel God is calling them to, what are their passions, what are their interests, what kind of needs in the world pique their interest or their passion. I so enjoy those conversations. I mean, it's just such a privilege to be a part of that journey with people, to listen to what God is doing in their lives or to listen to their struggles. That's a real gift. Thank you, everybody. Service is great because there are needs that people need to have addressed. But for me, it's about relationship. It's about getting to know the people who are in these situations. And once you have those relationships, there's more of an impetus to be helpful or to learn and grow along with them. It's not about me going in and taking care of or fixing a problem or being the savior of a situation. It's not about that. So how do I take those things that I enjoy and that I'm good at, that God has given me the gift for, and meet a need? Well, sometimes I think that when I go into a situation that people would label as service, I gain more from that experience than I think the other people do, which is not why I do it, but it's just interesting that that's the way that it happens.